Wound happens within you. So this one space which you call as myself must happen 100% your way.
You know, you obviously have a great sense of humor. I've found that sense of humor is something that, one, it's been a great tool for sometimes unlocking those contradictions for me and other people. But often it's seen. I'm one of those person that will laugh while the quote unquote wound is still a little bit too fresh. You know what I mean? And I'm like, well, no, it's already happened. So let's start laughing at it now. And I'm still going to be responsible and try and fix the problem. But can we do this while we giggle through fixing the problem? And some people that turns off because they go, wait, it's too early to laugh. You can't laugh. You can't. It's too early. We need to be serious about this thing. I'm going, no, I'm still going to do the work. Can we laugh while we fix the problem, or find a way to agree on something, whether it's politically.
You have a right to cry only when you just dropped out of your mother's womb. That's the only time you have a right to cry. After that, you should be laughing out. And now about when the wound is too fresh. See, let me tell you this. See, as I said already, all the external situations, our life situations will not ever happen 100% the way we want. Doesn't matter, small situations, big situations. As your involvement grows in the world, you will see more and more things will not happen the way you want. So what happens in the world, we must understand it's a reality which involves many forces. We are also one little force in that. So we can push it, we can use our skills, we can use our intelligence, we can use our influence and push that piece as far as we can. But there are too many pieces. It will never happen 100% your way or anybody's way, and I'm glad it is so, because if it all happened your way, where the hell do I go? Little bit your way, little bit my way, little bit somebody's way, this is the way world is. But now you're talking about wound. Wound happens within you. So this one space which you call as myself must happen 100% your way. If this is happening 100% your way, you will just see that what a joke it is, everything that happens around you, and how ridiculously it can happen. So when you see this, it's not that you have to have a sense of humor. Laughter is inevitable. When you're laughing within yourself, maybe words also come that way. I never thought I have a sense of humor. These days people are telling me, Sadhguru, you have such a sense of humor. Oh, I thought, oh, is that so? It's just that all the humors in my body are working well, that's all. Let me tell you this. This happened, Shankaran Pillai once had a franchise for Radio Shack. I think Radio Shack is closed down now, if I'm right. Is it closed down or still on?
I think they did. No, I think they did.
Okay.
I think you're correct.
So he used to have a franchisee-ship for a Radio Shack. So one day he ordered a particular component. Looking at the catalog, he saw it is… he wanted a component which is 669 number, he ordered. And the component arrived after a few days. He looked at it and they had sent the wrong number. It was 966 they had sent. He wrote back to them and furious, you sent the wrong part. They said, just turn it around and see. Most of the time life is just that. You're seeing it one way and freaking. Turn it around and see, you will laugh at the whole thing.